I'm in one of the most notorious places in Delhi. It's called Thieves Market, Chor Bazaar. And on the right, that's the Red Fort. And this place is known for selling stolen goods. So let's see what we can find here. So you can find all different kinds of fake brands and shoes, bags. There's just shops everywhere. Looks more like used clothes. They say that you can find everything here. I can smell a lot of dust. I get all sorts of smells. Jeans. People selling pigeons. Oh, that's a pigeon market.
यहाँ से जाओगे पीछे बहुत पार्क में पूरा सामान ही लगा है उधर मेन रोड में नहीं
Okay, thank you. So apparently there is a section of this market where they only sell electronic goods, and he said it's on the right. They are selling fishes in a bottle, fishes on a whiskey bottle. This is a different part of the market. You have to be careful every moment in this place because you don't know when they're gonna target your phone or your wallet. So you better be careful when you're here. And I'm sure I've been watched. He's saying Xiaomi. Is that headphones? Headphone. Xiaomi. Is that Xiaomi? Brand.
Brand is Xiaomi.
How much is it?
Check करिए.
No, how much is it?
750.
He's selling clothes and headphones at the same time. The blazers and that's gym equipment. They're selling horns. They probably stole it from her car and selling it here. Like shampoos. So the other guy was saying this place is very dangerous. I heard that. You know this Chor Bazaar, so this place is very dangerous. Is it this yours? That's some socks.
You can find one of your belongings here in case.
That's what he said. This might be yours. So I was just walking down and there was this guy. He was saying that this might be yours. Just get it because it's a Chor Bazaar. That means a thief's market. So you find all the stolen goods out here.
Salman Khan.
Yeah, it's very loud out here. They're also selling cutleries like dishes, plates. This time it's leather shoes, wrenches. You get everything. And these are speakers. Different kinds of speakers. This is selling fishes on a bottle, whiskey bottle. What's that sound? What's that sound? Oh, they have laptops out here.
Yeah.
That's laptops. They probably just got it from somewhere and just put a plastic mix it. I'm trying to cross these crowds of people in Delhi. Is one of the most notorious places called as the Chor Bazaar. It means the thieves market. People staring at the camera, wondering what the fuck is this guy doing. Just trying to hold my camera real tight. Wouldn't be surprised if they steal my camera and I see them selling it here. This is more like the hardware part of the market. You find all sorts of hardware, ranges, irons. It's like a restaurant. If someone gets tired buying stolen stuff, they can eat here. I hope the food is not stolen.
They can get the stolen stuff on the corner.
Probably. I don't quite understand what's the deal with the guys selling fishes in a bottle, in whiskey bottles. It's a very hot day today. That's the Red Fort. So that's the Red Fort. We'll just take a walk up there and see what we can find. I believe this is still part of the Chiefs Market. People are really wondering what's that. Yes. Hello.
Same number, bro.
Yeah. What's your name?
Shivam Soni.
What's your name?
My name is Shivam Soni.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you, brother.
It's not a gun.
Russia, New York. Where are you from?
So they seemed a bit high. They started staring at the camera and then started talking to me. Normally I wouldn't really think much of it, but now here you cannot let your guards down while you're talking. You don't know who is trying to steal something from your bag while you're distracted and talking to the person. So I think that's the end of the market, and I see a road, main road out there. So from there I'll probably catch a ride to a different location, and if I can find something interesting there. A lot of honking, trying to cross the street. Farm market.
Karol Bagh का farm market.
Karol Bagh.
हाँ करोल बाग कितना भैया?
So I have reached the market. So I'm in this market called the farm market, and apparently you find every electronics out here. So I might buy a memory card. Let's see what we can find here. It's pomegranate. I'm trying to find the SD card. I asked someone, they said it's towards this side. The whole lane is really smoky, a lot of dust. We have SD card. So SD card होगा. SD card.
3,500.
What's the best price you can give for this one?
3,500.
Thanks. So I thought it will be cheaper in here, but apparently they figured out I'm not from here, so we check. So I'm trying to find an SD card for the camera, and I asked some other shops in the same lane. So I found this one. It doesn't have a name, so we'll see if we can make a deal out here. So this one is 140, and the best price आप बोलिए best price कितना होगा ये?
700.
और ये 256 का 1450. All with warranty.
10 years.
10 years. So we'll check somewhere if we get a better price. We're still looking for SD card. He's calling like a boss, so let's see if we can find a good price out here. 256.
156.
256.
1800.
Samsung का. SD card नहीं है. He's drunk. So look, still looking. SD card. 256.
चालू भाई हेलो क्या हो गया काम करो
No. Okay.
Here. बात कर रहा था किससे वो
SD card.
नॉर्मली तो लगता होगा इसको
वही 256 का
256 या 120 256 तो मंगा दूंगा 2 मिनट लगेंगे तो भी हैवी होता है ना थोड़ा
हैवी होता है.
सैमसंग 256 GB कितने का होता है मेमोरी कार्ड
Best price.
ये तो 1650 का
What's the best price?
50 कम हो जाएंगे बस 1600 बेस्ट प्राइस
We're getting better than there.
Yeah. So that was a no deal. So he's saying even more expensive price than that one. So the best price for the SD card is till now I could find is 1380 rupees for a Samsung 256 Evo. So we'll check if we get a better deal, and if not, we'll go back and get that one. So we are going back to the same place, and I've checked in other shops, and I found out that's the best prices. So we'll go back and get it and do the walk of shame now, because I couldn't find a better deal. That's the shop. We'll get it from here. We searched everywhere. This is the best deal. Here's the SD card. It's a 256 GB, 130 MB, and it's for 1380, right? 1380 price.
1380,
Yeah,
1380.
it's 1,380 rupees. So I think this is the best deal. It's better than online. So I think we have a deal here. Okay. So warranty is 3 years, right?
10 years.
10 years or 3 years?
10-year warranty.
Okay. Okay.
Manufacturing date February 2023.
2033. So this is the best deal I could find, and ending the deal out here, and then we'll go get something.